The next thing we got to do is shooting. And that adds another layer of complication, right? Because we have shooting running and shooting jumping and shooting idling. So, all right, where do we even start? Maybe let's start with shooting idling. And I think this is his shoot idle. Uh, Wahoo. Okay, so we'll create a new animation and call it shoot. Add the animation to the character. And then go into animator and go into animation and go to shoot. And then drag our shoot sprite on there. Good. So let's do one for jump and shoot. Call it jump, shoot. Okay, let's close this up. Jump, shoot. Put that on the player and select it. And where's our jump, shoot? Jump, shoot is here. Drag that sprite on. All right, one more to go. Run, shoot. Put run, shoot on the player. And then select run, shoot. And now we've got 3 sprites here. I got to remember to duplicate it. Okay, now our animator has all these extra things. I'm going to make sure my my run shoot is also at a slower speed. What did we do for this? We did 0.8. Yeah, 0.8. So shooting is going to be a trigger. And each of these is going to essentially get triggered by it and then loop back. Okay, so this is going to be an easy one. Let's make the trigger. So I'm going to say trigger, shooting, and idle to shoot, make transition shooting. Get rid of exit time, no transition duration, and I'm just going to say shooting. Now, when the shooting's done, I'm just going to go back to idle. So I'm going to say make transition, and this I can leave the exit time and everything. I don't need transition duration. I can still zero that out. But keep exit time. Okay, so this guy's handled. All right, now let's do this guy. So make transition over here. Zero everything out. And the condition is going to be shooting. Cool. Make transition back. Just get rid of the transition duration. And we're good. And now same thing for running. All right, run, make transition to run, shoot. Add the shooting condition, make transition back, just zero it out. And that should be our setup. So let's trigger the shooting trigger and see if our animation looks okay. All right. I'm going to say, I think fire 1 is a good place to start. So I just copied what I typed before, but let's change this to fire 1. Fire 1. So in Unity, the defaults are jump, fire 1, fire 2, fire 3. We might need to change this if it turns out to be shift, because shift always has like sticky keys come up on PCs. So fire 1, let's just do the trigger part first. Say animator, set trigger. And it doesn't take a property, it just takes the name, because a trigger, it's even less than a bool. It just sends that little trigger message. So I'm going to say shoot. Call it shooting or shoot? Let's check. Shooting. Okay, cool. Forgot my semicolon. Okay. Quick is shoot. So a little quick. I think we need to have like some some exit time. So that was a little bit too quick. I shouldn't have killed exit time. So sorry, I shouldn't have reduced it to 0. So on shooting, I'm going to put it to 10 instead of 0 on the return. And so now it lasts a reasonable amount of time. Okay. I think that's it for the beginning. The next one, we'll start doing projectiles.